Hello and welcome to Excel BI's Excel Challenge 209. Unfortunately, I can't find the LinkedIn posts anymore, but there is a list with all the challenges from Excel BI, so I scrolled through this list and I will also link this list in the video description. And here we are with challenge 209. Let's take a look. So, we should insert the character number in the space directly after the word. And as you see here, every time begin a new line when there is a free space in between. So I will solve this for this line here, and then we'll do it for all the other lines afterwards. So S, and then I will do a text split and split S after who delimiter is this one. Oh yeah, we could also do it with this column delimiter here, yeah. So we have all the words splitted in different cells. And now I will map this on lambda, not labs, on lambda A, and then we need to split this separate. So mid A sequence len of A, split this into separate characters, and then concat, and we do a let function here with sequence len of A because I need this 2 times. Name this S. It's okay to name it that way, S. So we split this here, then add and oh no, S and point and splitted word and a space, and then we need to concat everything over here, concat it here. This should work. No, that so split it here is okay. Yeah, I see. I need to concat it first here or here. No, I'm not so sure anymore. So this will obviously be an error, yeah. So here I split this into separate columns. Then I map those columns again here. Then sequence is len of A. Then I concat. Yeah, first try it that way. I think I need to concat it here. Yeah, I see. I choose the wrong direction. So now I've concat everything here, and then we need to concat everything here. And it's the solution we are searching for. No, it's not. Why it's not? 1 2H is there. I see. I think yeah, I had this, or I have a free space at the end. And with trim, I can remove it simply. So now it's true. And now let's map this for all the strings. Lambda A, not AS, as I've used here. then I don't need the let function here, and it's as it should be. Yeah. So I will also post then the formula in the video description. So we do this for every string here. We map those string into a function where first it's separated with the spaces into separate columns, and then we then concat it character by character for those columns then with the position of those character and point, then the character itself, and then a free space. Then we concat this for the single cell, and then we concat all those cells together. So here for Huckleberry Finn, yeah, let's try it that way to show it to you. So for Huckleberry Finn, for example, 7. If we don't have a concat here, then it this will not work. Yeah. Yeah, how can I show this to you? Not with a map. I need my stringlet and my s again here. So this is the whole word. And now if I delete the trim here, you see this is like for every single column. Why did I do this in columns? Because I had here the problem with the free space, that it starts again at a free space with a 1. And therefore I used the solution to split it into single columns first. So I hope you've learned something. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. See you next time.